वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको एक बात बता दूं। आप ये वीडियो देखते हैं तो इसके साथ ही नीचे वाला आपको सब्सक्राइब वाला लाल बटन होता है ना, वो आपको क्लिक करना है। ये चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करना है और बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक करना है, ताकि हर रोज जब भी मैं ये वीडियो डालूं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा आपके मोबाइल पे रेगुलर। आप वीडियो देखते हैं मगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हो। आपको ये चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक और शेयर करना है, आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करना है, ताकि वो भी ये चैनल देखे, इसके जो भी सॉल्यूशन है उनको हेल्प होगी। ठीक है, आपको ये वीडियो को शेयर करना है ताकि बहुत सारे लोगों को इसके सॉल्यूशन मिल पाए। ठीक है, ये एक तरह से आप दूसरों की हेल्प करते हो, इसी हिसाब से आपको ये चैनल को शेयर कर कीजिएगा ताकि सभी को इस सॉल्यूशन का लाभ उठा सकते हैं और मुझे भी मोटिवेट मिलता है कि ज़्यादा काम करने के लिए। अब जैसे मुझे एक सपोर्ट मिलेगा आपका कि आप सबको शेयर करते हो, लाइक करते हो, कमेंट्स करते हो। ठीक है, तो आप एक एज अ हेल्प, एज अ मोटिवेट, मुझे ज़्यादा काम करने के लिए एक उत्साह मिलता है कि आप इतना मेरे लिए कर रहे हो। यानी आपके लिए बहुत सारे मैं मटेरियल, स्टडी मटेरियल जो भी चाहिए होगा वो मैं लेके आ पाऊँ। सिर्फ आपको ये चैनल को शेयर करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है। ठीक है, ताकि बहुत सारे लोगों को भी इसका लाभ उठा सके। ठीक है, तो आज का मैं ज़्यादा आपका टाइम नहीं लेने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हम ये वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का 9 लेसन सॉइल जो गुजरात बोर्ड का वो बुक सॉल्यूशन है। ठीक है, तो इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर्स देखेंगे हम। फर्स्ट, which horizon of soil has a lesser amount of humus but more of mineral? C आंसर है horizon. In which type of soil is the percolation rate least? B आंसर है clayey soil. Which type of soil is used to make pot, toys, status? B आंसर है clay soil. One soil sample took 50 minutes for 25 ml of water to percolate. What is the rate of percolation? इसका B आंसर है 5 ml minute. Which type of soil is suitable for crops like wheat and gram? B आंसर है इसका only loamy. Filling the blanks. Question 2. The rotting dead matter in the soil is called humus. The humus makes the soil fertile. Sandy soil has least water holding capacity. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay and silt particle. Sandy soil can drain water quickly through it. Question 3. Answer the following question in one words. Which process is responsible for breaking down of rocks? Weathering. Which horizon of soil is rich in humus? A horizon. Which soil is the best for growth of plants? Loamy soil. Which type of soil has the highest water holding capacity? Clay soil. Which type of soil has the highest percolation rate of water? Sandy soil. Which type of soil has the least air? Clay soil. Which soil tend to be light, well aerated and rather dry? Sandy soil. Mark the following statement: true, false. Fourth question, first point. A horizon of soil has more mineral and humus in lesser content. False. Sandy soil remains waterlogged when it rains. False. Loamy soil is the best soil for the growth of plant. True. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and silt particle. True. Marsh is seen in sandy soil. False. Sandy soil is the best for the crop of wheat. False. Answer the following questions in one sentences. What is humus? The dead rotting matter in the soil is called humus. What is called weathering? The process by which soil is formed by breakdown of rocks by action of wind, climate and water is called weathering. Next, third question. What is soil profile? A vertical section through different layer of soil is called soil profile. State the component of soil composition. Soil is composed of humus, water, clay, sand, granules and air. Which factors play significant role in the process of breaking down of rocks? Factors like wind, water and climate play a significant role in breakdown of rocks. Mention the main type of soil. Sandy soil, clay soil, loamy soil. What is the characteristics of the uppermost horizon of soil? The uppermost horizon is dark in color, rich in humus and mineral. What is called bedrock? Bedrock is the hard layer of rock below the sea horizon. Next, page 85, 9 question. What is called sandy soil? The soil having greater portion of big particles is called sandy soil. What is called clay soil? The soil having high proportion of fine particles is called clay soil. What is loamy soil? The soil having some proportion of big and fine particles is called loamy soil. What is the air above the soil seem to shimmer on a hot summer day? The vapor coming out of the soil reflect the sunlight and hence air above the soil shimmers on hot summer day. What is called soil erosion? The removal of soil from land surface of water, wind or ice is called as soil erosion. Answer the following questions in short. Explain how soil is formed. Soil is formed by the weathering process. The weathering of rocks takes place by breakdown of rocks. Factors like wind, water and climate help in weathering process. As a result of this process, large rocks are converted into smaller pieces and eventually to soil. Sketch the vertical section of soil and label the various layers. Horizon, B horizon, C horizon and bedrock. Next, page 86, third point. Ramanbhai conducted an experiment in the field of related to the rate of percolation. He observed that it took 40 minutes for 200 ml of water to percolate through the soil sample. Calculate the rate percolation. Rate of percolation is equal to amount of water ml, percolation of time minute, amount of water 200 ml, Percolation time 40 minutes. Rate of percolation 200 divided by 40 ml. तो इसमें ये कैलकुलेशन करना है. ये ऊपर का एक 0 और ये 0 एक कट होता है और 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20, यानी 5 ml 1 minute. आंसर हुआ. State the importance of soil. First point, soil support the growth of plant by holding its roots firmly. Second, soil is home for many organisms and insects. Soil is essential for agriculture. Fourth, soil provides nutrients and minerals to the plant. Fifth question, how is the uppermost horizon of soil useful? The uppermost horizon of soil is the top soil or a horizon. It is rich in humus and minerals because of which it supports growth of plant. It provides and charge to the roots of plant. State the properties of sandy soil. Particles of sandy soil are large in size. Second point, there is more space between the land particles. Their spaces are filled with the air. Third point, water drain quickly through sandy soil. Fourth point, sandy soil is light, well aerated and dry. Next, page number 87, seventh question. State the property of clay soil. First point है particle and clay soil very small in size. Second, there is very little space between clay particles. Third, the particles of clay are tightly packed together. Fourth, its water holding capacity is very high. Fifth, clay soil is heavy. State the properties of loamy soil. Particle of loamy soil is mixture of bigger and smaller size. It is the mixture of sand, clay and silt. Third, it has the perfect water holding capacity and is well aerated. Loamy soil is best for growth of plant. How is clay soil useful to crops? Clay soil is useful for crops for following reasons. It has good water holding capacity. Second, clay soil is rich in organic matter. Third, it supports the growth of crops like paddy which require more water to grow. Fourth, clay and loamy soil are suitable for wheat crops. Explain giving scientific reason. Soil erosion is less in the forest areas. Answer है, plant root firmly bind the soil and forecast area. There are many trees and plant which bird the soil, so the soil erosion is less in forest areas. Next question, 88 page number. Question 2. The best soil for growing plant is loam. Loamy soil has particle of sand, clay and silt. It has perfect water holding capacity and percolation rate. So the best soil for growing plant is loam. Question 8. Give 2 points of differences. Clay soil, sandy soil, particles are finer and tightly packed. Sandy soil के first point है particles are large and loosely packed. Clay soil का second point, it has good water holding capacity, hence heavy in weight. Sandy soil का second point, it has low water holding capacity, hence light weight. Sandy soil, loamy soil, second column option. Second difference is, first sandy soil का first point है, sandy soil is made up of large particles of sand. लूमी सॉइल का फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, लूमी सॉइल इज मेड ऑफ सैंड, क्ले एंड सिल्ट पार्टिकल. सैंडी सॉइल सेकंड पॉइंट, it has low water holding capacity. Loamy soil second point, it has good water holding capacity. Page number 89, question 9, match the following property. Clay soil का D आंसर आता है, small particles and packed tight. Upper layer of soil, इसका C आंसर आता है, dark in color. Sandy soil, इसका A आंसर आता है, लार्ज पार्टिकल्स. मिडल लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल, इसका ई आंसर आता है, लेजर अमाउंट ऑफ ह्यूमस. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल. एक्सप्लेन हाउ सॉइल पॉल्यूशन एंड सॉइल इरोजन कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड. सॉइल पॉल्यूशन कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय फॉलोइंग measures by reducing the use of plastics. Second, by reducing the use of chemical fertilizer and pesticides, we can control soil pollution. Soil erosion can be prevented by following measures: by planting more trees. Second point, by stopping deforestation and avoiding overgrazing of animals. Activities: first, to identify the component of soil, apparatus and material. Glass tumbler, soil, water, stick. Procedure: take little soil, break the clumps to make it powdery. Now take a glass tumbler, fill it with 3/4 water and a half full of soil to it. Stir it well with a stick to dissolve the soil. Let it stand undisturbed for some time. Observation: the layers of particles of different size are seen in the glass tumbler. Conclusion: soil is composed by different components like humus. Conclusion: like soil is composed by different components: humus, water, clay, sand, gravels. Second question: to demonstrate the water remains in form of moisture in the soil, apparatus and material. Test tube, 8 length, Bunsen burner, soil tumble. Procedure: take a test tube, put 2 spoonfuls of soil in it, heat it on flame. Observation: water droplets are seen on the upper part of the boiling tube. Conclusion: there is presence of mixture in soil. ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.